Want to change your Discord email but feeling a bit lost? No sweat, I got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to do it straight from your PC. So let's dive right in and get it done. First, open up Discord on your computer. Next, click on the gear icon from the lower left corner of the screen to bring up settings. Then click on the edit button next to the email. Now, this window will pop up. Click on send verification code from here, and you will receive a verification code in your old email. Just copy and paste it into this box and hit the next button. Then enter your new email in this box, type in your current password, and lastly hit the done button. Now, you will get a verification email in the new email. Open it up and click on the verify email button, and you will be all set. So that's how you change your Discord email from PC. If the video did the trick for you, please hit the like button. Want more Discord related tips and tricks? Remember to subscribe to the channel for that. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.